A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class and we are going to continue with articles. In our last class, we studied about a, and the. We have seen that we have three articles, a, and the, and in the last class, we saw how to use a and an. We have seen that we use a before the words that begin with the consonant sound, and we use an before the words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay. Now today we are going to see the definite article the. Children, let me remind you that a and an come under the heading indefinite article when we are not very clear or when the things are not very particular or specific about something. Then we use a and an with singular nouns as well as countable nouns. Now today we are going to see the definite articles. The is used to give information about particular or known nouns. Use of the in the case of count and non-count nouns. That means the is the article which can either be used with uncountable, the noun, non-countable nouns which we cannot count, or the article can be omitted entirely. There are some words when we don't use article at all. We don't use a and the any article. Okay, let us see the example. For example, she liked to sail over the water. Here, some specific body of water is being talked about. They are talking about a particular water. So we have used the. She liked to sail over the water. Okay. Now, the sentence, the second example, she liked to sail over water. Here, no particular water is being talked about. It can refer to any water. So, this is a case when children. So, I was telling you about the second example, which is here. She liked to sail over water. Here, no particular water is being talked about. And like it can refer to any water. So, we did not use the here. Alright. We did not use the, and water is something which you cannot count also. Right. Like if you remember when we were studying a and an, we discussed that a and an are the articles which are only used with countable nouns. Okay, the nouns which you can count, right? Water is not a countable noun. You cannot count water. Okay, it's a liquid thing. So we can only use the with it or no article at all. Okay, so when we were talking about a specific water body, then we used the. Now when we are talking about in general no particular water, then there is no article at all. Alright, okay. Now let us read more about the definite article is the. It is used before a noun to specify it as something previously considered. Like there are some rules you can see here, children. Use the after you have talked about it the first time. Like this is a dog. The dog is brown. For the first time, I have mentioned about a dog. Now, for the second time, when I am referring to the same dog, then I have used the. Okay. In the first one, I have used a. Then, when I am referring the same dog, the. Okay. Use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. When the listener to whom you are talking knows what you are talking about. Like, I am going to the bank. Now, I did not mention any particular bank here. But to whosoever I am talking, that person knows to which bank I am referring. So, I have used the here. There is someone knocking at the door. Okay. To whosoever I am talking, that person knows which door I am talking about. It must be the computer repairman. Use the when you talk about general places in nature like the lake, the mountains, the ocean, the beach. Let's go to the beach. General places. I love to camp in the mountains. Alright. Use the when you're talking about something that there is only one of and everyone knows about it. Like the sky. The sky, the earth, the stars as a group. How many people are there on the earth? The sky is so beautiful today. Children, these are universal things which are created by God. Okay, the earth, the sky, the stars. Okay, even the planets, when you name the planets. Alright, so before these we use the article the. Clear? Okay. Now let us read about definite articles. Definite means to be clear, exact, or obvious about something. It is called definite because it is used in relation to a particular thing or person. The is the definite article in English which is used to refer to particular nouns, the identities of which are known. The definite article indicates that the noun is specific. The speaker talks about a particular thing. The cat sat on the couch. The dog attacked me and ran away. So I'm not naming the cat and I'm not naming the dog, but I'm talking about a particular cat who's sitting on the couch, and I'm talking about the particular dog which attacked me and ran away. Okay, so then I've used the with it. Alright, okay, let us see some more examples when to use no article, children. We are going to see this now. When we talk about things in general, like milk is good for you, okay, you're talking in general, so we don't use any article. A and the, nothing will be used. To talk about sports and games, like let's go and play basketball, let's go and play cricket, okay, if you say let's go and play the cricket, do you think it is sounding correct? No. But we are talking about a particular thing, so we cannot use a and with it, and the is also not used with sports and games, so no article at all. Before the names of countries, Japan, France, India, okay, we don't use the, but we use the UK, the US. We say this because this is an abbreviation, okay, abbreviation of the full form. Like UK stands for United Kingdom, US stands for United States, so we have written it in abbreviated form. We have seen this abbreviation when we studied from the book, right? So when this is used in abbreviation, then we use the before it. Before the name of a language, like we are learning English, we are learning Spanish, we are learning French, okay, we will not say we are learning the English, we are learning the Spanish. This is sounding also so incorrect, right? Okay, let's see the fifth rule. Before the names of railway stations, when they are also place names. Before the names of meals, they invited some friends to dinner, they invited some friends to lunch, they invited some friends for breakfast, okay. And before noun plus number, the laboratory is in room 6, the laboratory is in floor 2 of the school, okay, something like this. All right, okay, so these are some rules when we are not supposed to use any noun. Now let us see from the book of your English language book. Use of definite article the. The is used with the nouns denoting definite or particular people or things. They have one, the match. Now which match, which sport, that is not mentioned here, but only the match, clear? With the superlative degree of an adjective, okay, that means we have not studied adjective and superlative right now, but the very first form, the last form, best, tallest, all the forms, tall, taller, tallest, best, worst, okay. When we use the superlative degree of an adjective, the third form we say, okay, you will study about this when we will be doing adjectives, okay. But you just remember the third form is the superlative degree, which tells about the superlative thing when you compare an adjective or when you compare a noun, but the comparison is between more than two people, then we use it. We will study about this in detail, okay. With the names of rivers, gulfs, oceans and seas, we use the. With the names of mountain ranges, with the names of historical monuments, with the names of certain books, with names of things unique of their kind, like the universe, the sun, right? Always remember, indefinite article is used when something is mentioned for the first time. We use definite article if it is mentioned again. Let us see when we are not supposed to use any article. No article is used before most proper nouns, names of people, cities, countries and continent. Like William Blake was a great poet, that's a name and it's a proper noun. New Delhi is the capital of India. Don't use any the before the New Delhi. Okay. Nepal, Asia, is the largest continent. Okay. Before languages, like English is an international language, Hindi is the third largest spoken language in the world. Before names of substances, diamond, gold. Diamond is a precious stone. Gold is used to make jewelry. Okay. Before abstract nouns, you've done abstract nouns, the nouns which we cannot see and touch, but we can only feel. Those are abstract nouns, right? So compassion is a great human virtue. Honesty is the best policy. Before names of relations, mother, sister, brother, father. Before names of meals, what time do you have dinner? Breakfast is ready. Okay. These are some examples when we are not supposed to use the article. Okay. You will understand it better when we will practice, children. As I told you all before, English language is a subject which needs constant and regular practice. Okay. So as we all keep on practicing, we will discuss the exercises. You will be able to understand it all the more better. Okay, children. So we will be discussing the exercises in the class. This one, A and the. Okay. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe, children. Thank you.